morning. We're going to do our getting along together lesson. Let me share my screen. All right, let me start up here. Okay, so this is Getting Along Together, Unit 4, Lesson 1, and we're going to be talking about something called self-talk. What is self-talk? Self-talk is what we tell ourselves in our head about a situation. We talk to ourselves most of the time, especially when we're doing something that is new, hard, or scary. But we may not realize how talkative our inner selves are. In this unit, we will learn to be more aware of how often we use self-talk and why the kinds of words we say to ourselves matter. Our big question is, when wasn't a time in school or at home that you remember using positive self-talk? Here's an example. Ming is in a new school, Ming is new at her school and sits by herself at recess and lunch. She says to herself, "No one likes me. No one wants to be my friend. There must be something wrong with me. I do not fit in here. I never will make a friend in this school." What's Ming's self-talk? What is she saying to herself? Well, she's saying that no one likes me and she will never make friends. How do you think that self-talk makes Ming feel? Maybe she's feeling pretty bad on the inside when she's talking to herself like that. How are those feelings probably affecting how Ming behaves or acts in her new school? Well, if she's not confident in herself, then she's probably not going to try to make new friends in her school. Here's another example. I made friends in my last school, so I can make friends in this school. This situation is hard, but I can do it. I can try smiling. I can try talking to just one person today. Someone else must be new too. I can try to find someone who looks alone like me and say hi. Do you think the positive Ming will have an easier time making friends than the negative Ming? Why? Well, when she's encouraging herself, then she is going to be more willing to try and probably a little more approachable by other people. In getting along together, you have learned how we feel affects how we act. If we feel sad or hurt, those feelings will affect how I will act around my friends. Feelings equal behavior. Now that you're in 4th grade, you're ready to understand another part of this equation. Thoughts and self-talk are part of your feelings, which results in a behavior. What we tell ourselves about a situation using self-talk affects how we feel about the situation, which affects what we do and how we act. Ming is a good example of how negative and positive self-talk affects feelings and behavior. All right, so give yourself a couple minutes and try to solve this museum mystery. You can pause the video, but don't give yourself more than about 3 minutes. Okay, so here's the answers. Pig equals square, banana equals circle, dog equals triangle, and gorilla equals octagon. Think about this. What kind of self-talker are you? What did you say to yourself as you tried to solve the museum mystery? Okay, and think about, when was a time in school or at home that you remember using positive self-talk? I want you to try today to think of when you're in a situation that may be new or scary or difficult. I want you to try, your assignment is to try to use positive self-talk and see if that helps your behavior.